What is the difference between a judicial and non-judicial foreclosure?
So using our tri-state area here, Virginia would be an example of a non-judicial. They don't have to use any attorneys. They have to wait the 120 days. They send the notice that says that you're in foreclosure, you're at risk of foreclosure, we're setting a sale date. These are various notices that come out during that 120 days, and then they set a sale date. It still happens by a trustee. It doesn't have to be a lawyer. So that part's done. Court has no involvement in it. The property goes to foreclosure, and then after the foreclosure, if the bank wants to pursue the person for a deficiency, they have to actually file a case in court to do that. In Maryland, we have this quasi because it's not a true complaint. It's this order to docket. And then once that's filed, a lot happens outside of court, like the trustee, the auction. Then they have a report of sale that gets ratified. They don't get an automatic deficiency. They'd have to come back into the case and request that. DC is a true judicial state. It starts with a complaint. It gets served the same as any breach of contract. The defendant, the homeowner, has the right to file an answer to it. They're going to set it up for mediation, and there's going to be hearings. It's a very long process because DC can take up to 2 years before a property actually is foreclosed on because of all the different safety, measures that are in place. And the judges in DC tend to give homeowners way more latitude. If they appear for a remote hearing and they say, I'm still trying to get an attorney, they can get a continuance. Or if they say, look, I've listed the property, we don't have an offer yet, they get a continuance. In Maryland, you don't get any of that because it doesn't go in front of the judge.